we just give a new recipe 喂。
This is better though.
入入。
Hello，大家好。
我哋係
Summer，今日我哋做咩？做飲。
嗰日咧就及到 Sales 嗰度又話11
係啊，有150蚊嘅嘢，
有送呢個
cocktail 嘅嘢，邊有咩？哇，有 shake 嘅。點解我哋會做呢個環節咧？係因為我就中意整 cocktail 啦。
哦，
然之後嗰個 recipe book 喎，recipe book 喺度就我研究下啦，係咪真係咁好飲啦？但係最奇妙嘅係阿 B 成世人未飲過 Somersby。
就係啦。
哦，有俾個 ice 夾嘅喎，夾。
幾難整口咯。
我唔知咩
有生命嘅啫，有生命嘅啫，幾得意。
你個 X 好得意啊！
但係其實你知唔知我哋做咩嘅？
呢個係 stir 嚟嘅。
哦，OK。
平時係咪咁
呢個係
嗰個
做咩你冇寫幾多 ml 嘅？應該係20、40咯。
哇！
哦。
個名。
嘅。其實淨啊，到啊，係啊。
玻璃都冇爆冇事。
係喎，阿邦有 Somersby label 嘅
OK 啦。
mixer 啦，OK 其實淨。Now I'm very curious to know what is the recipe so we can mix today. So what have you chosen for us today? Three, which
So we are
is
choosing the apple cider gin fizz
okay.
and then the ginger brew
Oh, and
liquid sunshine。
oh,
流汁嘅太陽係咪？我唔知啊。
喂，但係奇怪咯，佢成個 book 都係 apple 嘅
apple. Yeah, it's all apple actually.
But there's so many other flavors.
So 50 ml honey syrup with hot water.
50 ml.
Vigorously with until honey dissolves.
I know that's exactly 15 ml.
Just wait. Then just two lah.
And
Okay, so what is it?
馬來西亞最中意乜嘢？阿甲。
Agar.
But 15 ml honey or
50.
50 with water.
Yes, with
Yes,
water.
agar咯.
Yeah.
Okay, what number two?
Okay, fill ice in a cocktail shaker.
See, this comes in good use. 呢個硬啲啊喂。
係喎。
Fill
可能用快啲會比較好
ice
啲啩。
in a shaker. Oh my god. So big. Okay.
Is this good exercise?
Wrist exercise, right?
Oh.
Alright. What's next?
60 ml gin.
Okay, so we got Hendrix gin. So 60, right? So this is 40.
加一半。
And 20 agak-agak lah.
Okay.
Alright.
15 ml lime juice 自己
Oh man.
知。damn
咩唔知先嗰啲？
難。
其實會唔會有問題咧？Let's say 你知咗
One eternity later.
成 look at that close up 咁樣。
Okay.
Oh deal. So after 搞掂咗就加 dissolve honey into this mixture.
你咪當咗先咁樣
冚蓋，
你冚過。
開始搖 shake it well。
OK 啊，呢個唔錯喂。OK，好快凍喎呢個。哦，
係嘛？
哦，
Yeah, it cools off
我
fast.
哋又做翻個望望先。
Top it up with 80 ml to 100 ml Somersby apple cider。細俾你先。
嚇
80啊？
80。
所以呢個係先係薄啲啊。
Yeah, it is 40.
掂
It feels like 40. Feeling.
feeling。
你急啲都幾好嘅。
Nothing
Yeah.
more than
OK，一 top up 咗，有一有就可以倒啦。
我噏咗有一有就可以講。
咁我哋呢度就有咗一個 apple cider gin fizz 啦。
冰嘅。
So when you act like that, the apple cider becomes flat, not very gassy.
係喎，
Like a cocktail.
不過去到 gin 嘅味就降升咯。
做咩你咪加啲啊？你覺得
唔係佢個 G 嘅
唔係
就好似港式我中意醉
港
嘅
式嘅 is like this is just
up label。
gin only。
I still feel the honey is there, so it's good.
Okay. So I think you can add more apple cider if you want more apple taste.
1 out of 5，你 rate 係幾多？
2.
你咧？
One。
我都覺得係 1嘅。
我哋翻嚟啦！
好啦，第一杯就飲完啦，咁第二杯係飲咩咧？
第二杯我哋做嘅就係 ginger brew 薑啊。So 第一樣嘢就係 fill a glass with ice。
A glass is. Amazingly，我屋企係有 Somersby 杯，好多10年前㗎啦。其實 Somersby，我驚襟用。
喂，呢個 quality 幾好喎。
係啊，真係啊，都好夠用㗎啦呢個。Fill a glass with ice。
Add 1 shot of vodka，有 1 shot 幾多我唔知啊。
加，哎呀，搞啲啦我哋。
One shot 咯，
1 shot 咯。
即係呢個係40啊。Assuming this is 40 ml。Wow, to the brim!
Damn!
You're the best.
Tastes like teen spirit. Add a liberal dose of ginger beer. Dose 我都唔知咩嚟嘅。真嘅。
咩？Liberal dose。
Willing to respect or accept behavior or opinions different from one's own, open to new ideas.
好有理智㗎 dose 嘅 ginger beer。
我哋唔使 liberal 先倒得㗎。Do we need
你
to be
理
a
智喎
liberal？
OK 嘅，就係 ginger beer 要 liberal 即係唔使我哋嘅。
做咩用啲
咁大嘅字
係咯。
I am liberal。
愛咁少咩？多啲。
Liberal
我
話
覺得應該要高啲咯，應該成杯啩。
I mean，如果你哋可以同我哋講話，你哋嘅 liberal amount 係咩意思嘅話，唔該同我哋分享
夠
下。，
我覺得夠 liberal 咗。我 feel 到佢夠 liberal 咗。
好似 half and half with the vodka 啫喎。
然之後講
仲有 top it full with Somersby apple cider。
哦，佢要留翻，之前你都唔可以太過 liberal 啫喎。
我覺得咁樣夠 liberal 啦。唔知
乜嘢係 liberal？
I mean，你如果你太過 liberal with your ginger，你冇讀到過最後嗰度，你嘅 apple 咪冇位咯。
係啊，可能咁樣㗎咋。
係咯。哇，都好嚴重喎。
呢個個人口味嘅問題啦，應該。
Siapa copywriter ini? Apa itu liberal? D。
啲
喎
apa tuh？
我哋要試真啲係咪真係？
哇！你買進出邊都好貴下。
我呢個轉咗邊好飲喎。
Budabek。
仲有咩牌子係賣轉咗邊啊？
有 F 嗰啲有。
有，其他咪都有。
Hey, this is nice.
This is nice.
It's surprising.
I think the vodka could be more, you know, actually.
So we shouldn't be so liberal with ginger beer.
Yeah,
We should be liberal with the vodka.
Huh!
Oh,
Damn!
calculator. It's
Oh,
not about
我
it.
未飲已經醉咗，OK。
Hey.
Oh, this is damn good. Not bad, not bad.
Rate out of 5 rate.
But I think 可以
Four.
加
Four. How about you?
four is
Same 4 out of 5 day.
You see, she's maybe drunk. She's red. And she can't stop.
如果你愛加嘅話，你會加乜嘢咧？即係你冇話係現有嘅 ingredient 喺度啦。Like if you improvise with something, what do you think? What first comes to your mind?
I think the liberal dose of ginger can up a bit.
唔係之前你好似而家個 recipe 係咁啊，
係
即係
有
哇！
個
如果可以加多少少嘢，我會加呢樣嘢就 up 咗佢。你會覺得係咩？加蘋果 slice 啦，加 strawberry。
頭先我寫咩啊？加酸梅啊？OK 啊，
酸
酸梅都 OK 喎。
酸梅我唔記得咗嘅。
齋奶，
齋奶咯。
齋奶飛。
齋奶依杯，
佢嘅 recommendation 係加酸梅係嘛？
我哋要試一擺佢加酸梅係咩味道先啊
會唔會 shake 咗佢好飲啲？
試下啦，用 shaker 用 shaker 啊。
哦，but this is quite good，but 爭咁啲味啦，唔係 basic cocktail 嚟嘅。
Sorry。
我打算用 elderflower 得冇咧？
嚇？
可以用 elderflower 得冇咧？
又可以試下喎。
哦，
可以試
咁我哋用咗一個係 apple 先
Apple，
跟住用 elderflower 侵。
我哋得
酸梅。One shot of vodka 你。
The one shot 啊，one and a half shot 啊。
Be liberal with the vodka and be sane about everything else. Well, that sounds so good, actually. We're gonna show a close up of how it goes inside first. Oh, do you hear that? It's a 10 out of 10 swimming synchronicity. Oh, this is a gut feeling apple.
誒講到咗喎。
That's elderflower.
We want to try different.
Oh, okay. Are we mixing with the apple also?
No?
Oh.
It's like, why only apple?
師妹加咗。
Dalam dah.
Oh, we should show like how the
1, 2, go. Oh!
會 shake 咗佢好飲啲。
咁我而家知道點解佢唔用 shaker 咗。我哋知道點解唔得用 shaker 咗。
Thanks for the tips up, ah. Day.
Now we have a live idea.
Follow the recipe book.
Yeah. There's a
你冇
reason
用
why.
shaker，don't use shaker。啊，
你頭先係用 shaker 嘛？點解呢個咁特別？點解呢個會
因為有水侵咗。
水？
honey 嘛 ，honey water 咪噏咗佢嘅
哦
gas 咯。
係啊，有 honey water。
所以你侵 water 係會 flatten the gas. Come, let's try this one. Oh wait, let's shake it first. Sorry, stir.
Stir.
Stir, not shaken.
Shaken but not stirred.
Wow!
哦
Damn，飲勝。
I think I have to wait for you。叫我心一輪係飲咗。
It's different. The shit will bring a different taste to it.
It's a
This
very
is
interesting.
better though。我低估兩啲啦，我俾你4.5。
She's there. She's there.
Summer's beef, we just did a new recipe, wait. Oh, but the shin mui is good. Okay, so the shin mui, we added this one, added
Ginger beer
more,
and
not the one shot,
liberal.
liberal
A new
vodka,
word we learned. Liberal
liberal
amount of
vodka, and elderflower and lime.
Yes.
It's a good mix.
This is good。
Oh.
啊，
Okay, 洗嘢。我哋又洗完嘢啦。第三個係咩？
好啦，第三個人試試。
you boleh tak?
boleh boleh。
Sikit merah,
boleh。
merah sangat.
Merah sangat tak apa。
Eh, tapi that one got strawberry.
What is this? Liquid sunshine. But we don't have strawberries, right? What do we have? We have grapes.
Good。
Okay.
So muddle a handful of
Oh, 冇剪到。
grapes in the glass。So muddle 係
The f is muddle. Why the f use muddle? I know what is mixed. I know what is cuddle. What the f is muddle?
Bring into a disordered or confusing state. Mix a drink or stir an ingredient into a drink.
Let's have a
So
party.
maybe you just hug the grapes until it's muddled. Something like that.
Huh?
So,
Muddle. Kau pernah tu canggih? Mana canggih?
Oh.
Muddle.
But I always thought muddle hai
can we just mash it with
A puddle with a muddle?
and it's like a huddle and a cuddle.
Does the grapes go through the hurdles? You
And
muddle
then-
with the muddle.
Muddle.
And then it fuddles and crumbles. How about that?
Fill the glass with ice, babe.
Our French had gone already.
Oh.
Babe. After that, 10 ml of lemon juice 開始揸
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Itu
Okay,
makan.
then,
10 ml of sugar syrup.
Oh. So, this sugar is 幾點？幾點？因為我整嘅。因為屋企做 cocktail 嘛。咁我哋喺出邊買 sugar syrup 又係貴喎。
係喎。
OK，什麼？
After that,
但係
top it full with 150 to 180 Somersby's.
Somersby's.
You want apple cider?
出嚟出 original 啦。
Okay, let's go.
Oh, we can choose is it?
40, 80, 120.
And we do a 160 then.
Yeah.
So the difference in this recipe is we have no strawberries, we have grapes, right?
Yeah, we are using grapes instead of
Okay,
strawberry.
next.
Mix it.
That's all.
Stir it.
That's all.
That's all. I just want to dip it.
A liberal amount for what?
Just a bit.
I mean, cheers! I know she's having a cup already. Cheers!
Yes. Not bad.
What do you want? Would you like some?
No.
Yeah. Please, thank you.
So without the vodka, how
It's
would you
just a-
make it?
Nah, this is just like a summer speed drink lah.
Yeah.
Just a food drink like that.
I mean, with the strawberry,
It's yeah, but it's just
more
still,
fragrant. But yeah.
So how about a dash of vodka inside?
Oh, nicer.
Much better.
There's more body. Understand,
I do agree.
You know what? I seriously think we can talk this shit.
Definitely.
咁其實你哋覺得會唔會值咧？150蚊咁樣使，
咁啊150蚊你又可以飲，咁樣有呢啲嘢。如果你屋企冇咁嘅嘢嘅話，我覺得 OK 啦。如果你中意嘅話，你150塊咧飲有 free gift。Yeah, it's okay.
I guess it's like for a beginner kit 咯。咁啱 Christmas 就嚟咧。
係啦，我覺得呢個好健力嚟嘅。不過而家 CMCO 或者 MCO 嘅時候，佢哋冇得做咩 activation。OK 啦，I mean it's good quality。
即係呢個，但係呢個夾就
呢個夾唔得啦，呢個唔得
太
啦。
硬咗，太硬咗。
呢個 stir 冇咩靚啦，我覺得。But shaker is good, shaker is good。
我哋啲肉質女子係咪鉗唔到嘢啊？
唔係，我要
做 bicep。
係咯。
係 set flex 住你咁。
And someone who wants to try cocktails，我覺得呢個 OK 啦，你可以試下。
住先。
係啊，overall 其實我覺得如果你睇 3 out of 4 recipe 都係侵佢自己嘅啤酒嘅，其實。因為佢哋一個 company 啊嘛 ，Carlsberg，
同埋
Brooklyn 同埋 Carlsberg，same company，right？ 所以其實3樣嘢係其中嗰啲係有啦 ，Mojito、Margarita 你可以參咁樣。如果想 explore 嘅話，你可以試下。
其實你飲落去你都知你想加啲咩嘢 to add up the taste 啦。總之佢哋講明識得 muddle 跟住 liberal amount 你就萬無一失㗎啦。
係啦，你要自己點樣 liberal 你自己
係咯，咁你自己 personal taste 啦，咁佢嘅嘢都好 generic 嘅。
係咯，但係我點解係齋用 apple 佢咁多 flavour，所以其實我覺得，下一次我哋試下嚟用呢個嚟整 Shangri-La 嘅。
好
啊！咁啊，下一集記得幫我哋睇下下一集。
係啊。
等住我哋睇Shangri-La好唔好飲，我哋介紹俾你。咩 measurement 咧 ？Sorry， 我哋啲Agak Asian 啦嚇，Agak Rasa 啊，乜 you can try，right？You can try。See you next round。